Good morning, you guys. It is Friday, September 1st, and I have some exciting news that I've been kind of keeping on the DL just because I've been it's been a fast kind of process, but I am moving out again, which I'm very excited about. I'm really nervous because it was a really fast decision, not fast decision it was a fast decision, but it was a slow process. Yeah, I'm moving in with one of my best friends, Annalisa. I'm really excited. It's gonna be so fun, and I'm excited to, this is the first time I'm living on my own, not with a partner. Even though I will be with a roommate, it's still living with a friend. I'm so excited. Today we get the keys. We signed the lease on Tuesday, I think. It's been a very fast process. We already paid first month's rent and everything. So yes, I am gonna go over there right now to go get the keys, and then I'm gonna show you guys, do a little empty apartment tour. I need to bring Annalisa one of her keys. Yeah, it was about 10:15, and I'm also going to the beach after I get the keys with Lexi and Peyton. The reason why I'm not fully moving in today, I'm not fully moving in today, is because, long story short, Cody is becoming an ESA, an emotional support animal. Makes it easier for living places where they don't accept animals or whatever. Cody's in the process of being an ESA. He just has, I have a final meeting on the 19th, and I technically can't have him in there until the 19th when I get the official letter. So probably even maybe a little bit later too, because I have to approve it. So I'm half moving in this month until Cody can get, approved. So that's pretty much the gist. Annalisa's fully moving in. I'm going to be in between places, but I just wanted to document this because this is my first day. The first day we get to live somewhere else. So yeah, I'm really excited for this next chapter. I'm really nervous, but it'll be good. It'll be good for me, and it will, I wanted to wait to move out because I wanted to be over things. Not over things, but I wanted to be in a better mental state than I was a few months ago, and I feel like I am now. I still have my days, don't get me wrong. I still have my days. Generally, I'm in a better mental state. And I'm just excited for this next chapter. I feel like it's time. I started my period yesterday, and man, it hurts. It's coming for me this month. Yeah, I'm going to get dressed and get ready for the beach. Then we're going to head over to the apartment, drop off Annalisa's keys, and then go to Lexi's. Also, if you can't tell, I went a little bit copper on Wednesday. So let me know your thoughts. If you guys follow me on TikTok, you already saw, but I really like it. I feel like this color is meant for me. I think I'm gonna go a little bit more copper next time, maybe tone it a little bit more, but yeah, it's just a little subtle copper. I love it. Okay, we are in the new place. I showed you guys a little tour of it when I toured it. So if you guys remember this, I'll show you. It's a 2-story. The first, so you walk in, this is the door, you walk in, and this is what you see, a little hallway, and then washer dryer, huge closet space, which is really nice. Love that. And then this is my bedroom. Fan. Nice. I love the dark hardwood floors. For some reason, I just love it. I have an attached bath. Love the floors. This is the bath. Super cute. We have some vanity lighting. Which is good. Shower. Kind of a small shower, not gonna lie. I don't think I've ever stepped foot in here, but the shower, cute. And then this also dims, which is nice. And then we have a closet, a walk-in closet. I don't know if I'm gonna even fill a lot of this. Maybe, but love all the shelving up there. And then it's cute. It has this little divot, which is nice. I think I might either put my desk there yeah, I'll probably put my desk there. And then you go upstairs. This is what you see. You walk and this is where the living room and TV room, kitchen is. So I'll first show you Annalise's room. Great natural lighting. I'm honestly jealous of the natural lighting, but it's so cute. Closet, good size. And then bath. This is hers. She has a tub, which is really nice. So that's that. And then, so yeah, this is like the living room. I'm not sure, we're probably gonna put the TV here and then the couch kind of just floating probably. We still have to figure out like technically layout. Over here is a little coat closet. Not little, it's pretty big actually. That's the coat closet. And then kitchen, there is so much cabinet space, which is amazing. I really didn't have that in my last place. Like here's one pantry. There's above. You can get like cute little bar stools. And then this pantry, which has like removable drawers. And then more space, more cabinet space. I'm just obsessed with how much we have. And then I've never used this type of oven top before. So I'm a little nervous to see how that works. I'm gonna have to have my mom help me with that. Washer, trash, big farm sink, which I loved about my last place. I love the sink. And yeah, I'm really excited about this place. It's freaking hot in here because there's no air conditioning yet. I am super excited about this place. I love it so much. I can't wait to see it come to life. Annalise and I have so many like ideas for this place and it's just gonna be so fun and cute. Let me know what your thoughts are on this. I freaking love it. I'm obsessed, to say the least. It is Monday, it is Labor Day. Got the keys to my apartment as you guys saw. It is now Monday, September 3rd, 4th. I need to move some stuff because it's like stressing me out how I'm just like having this apartment and like not moving anything in and just paying for rent. I need to move some stuff in and I can't technically have him in the apartment until he's ESA approved. And that comes in like 2 weeks. So I won't be like fully living there, but I do want to move some stuff in, obviously, to get it going. I don't think I'm going to move any of my room stuff per se, but I do have some stuff that is from my last apartment in the garage, and I think I'm going to have some friends help me move that today. Like there's 2 couch pieces, I have a fridge, I have a whole dining room table, but I don't know if I think I'm gonna try to sell that dining room table because I don't think that we're gonna deal with that. So that's basically what today is. We're gonna get some stuff in there. I don't really know. I have nothing really else to pack besides my extra storage stuff in the garage. You're so cute just laying there, listening to mommy talk. But I have really nothing else to pack up besides like clothes and stuff, but I don't think that that's gonna work. I love you. Mommy loves you. Mommy loves you. Mommy loves you. So I don't know. I'm not gonna keep rambling. Excuse my Batman shirt. It's my little sister's. So let's go downstairs, assess the situation, and figure out what we can move right now. Something we could do in the meantime is open up some Amazon packages that I just got delivered. I don't think these are really anything exciting. I got a nail polish. Why? Because it's Linkin Park After Dark by OPI. It's like a staple for fall. Don't know why I felt the need to spend that money, but oh, I got these, which are super in style, or I think they're in style. You may not agree. Okay, these look huge. They're like those boxer trend. Like, I should have sized down, actually. I sized up because I wanted it to be like flowy, but they're like boxers and you roll them and they're cute, like little lounge things. I don't know, I see people wear these with like graphic tees I don't know how I feel about those. And then this is a keychain because I want to take a really cute picture for Instagram with my new keys for the apartment. And so I ordered this little plush heart. Like, is this not so cute on a keychain? I'll link everything down below for you guys if you guys want any of that stuff. So I got a nail polish, a keychain, and boxers. So in here is really a catch-all room. I have these chairs, if you guys have been here on my channel for a while. These big sofa chairs, basically, are from IKEA. I got them off Facebook Marketplace for like 50 bucks. It was amazing. But I think I have 2 of these, and they're like, it could be a little couch for now. We don't have a couch yet. Like, this process was so fast, you guys. Like, I wish I could like explain to you how fast this process was. We have literally nothing to move in with. So it's all gonna be a work in progress, but I'm excited because I'm glad we don't have all the things, because I can make so much more content off of like getting things. So I have those 2 sofa chairs. I have this little boucle situation. I don't know what I'm gonna use that for. I don't even know why I bought it. I bought it from HomeGoods like last year. I don't really know. I didn't ever do anything with it. I have no idea. They could probably go under, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I might sell that. I have these chairs that are my all-time favorite chairs. They are from Amazon. I have them linked on my storefront under home if you guys want them. They're kind of buried under stuff, but they're like boucle, and they have like gold hardware. They're so stunning. This dining room table, I don't know if you could see it, is also mine, but I don't think I have enough room in my new apartment for that. So I think I have to sell that as well. So that's pretty much, and then I have that fridge right there. That's pretty much all the furniture I have to move. So I'm gonna see if some of my friends with a truck can come and help me move this, because I don't have a truck anymore. That's something I lost in the life transition of a breakup. I lost a truck, so I'm kind of stressing out. I don't know what to think. I don't know how to do anything. This is a serious mess. It's like I have to deconstruct the entire garage for me to even get anything out. I gotta call some people. Okay, I'm getting some stuff out right now. Pulling out the sofa chairs, dining room tables, da da da. Matt just came by to help me carry some stuff to the place. So we are headed to the apartment right now to unload some stuff. I have the dining room chairs, I have some like couch stuff, and then I have a little bench thing, and then that's pretty much all I have to move, besides the fridge that I'm having my brother-in-law help me with this next weekend. Help me move, because he has a dolly, and obviously I need a dolly to help move the fridge. The rest is just bedroom stuff that honestly I won't be needing to move. I'll move like little like bits and clothes and stuff like that I don't wear. I'll be moving little bedroom stuff, but not like my bed and everything, because I technically can't. With Cody there, I can't be like living there full time with him. But these are the big things that need to be moved from my house. Everything else is my bedroom, and then we need to buy. Okay, update. We moved all this stuff in. I'm actually obsessed with how these chairs look down here, like on the floors. I love it, and I think I might actually use my dining room table. I don't know, it might be a little bit big actually. I don't really know, but we are thinking like logistically how to put a couch in here, because it's such a weird layout, because there's like no room, like there's probably no way we could get like a sectional, just because it's literally too big. Like this already like is taking up some space, and honestly like this is fine for now until we get a real couch going, but just to kind of have an idea of like how the couch is gonna go, I need to send Annalise a Snapchat or something. She got some like kitchenware and then some glasses that I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Okay, so there's really not much for me to do here. I think I might try and set up the AC. I don't know how. They have a whole like instructional thing down there, but that's all I have really for today, you guys. I don't have anything else I need to bring in besides a fridge, which will happen next weekend. And then maybe some of my room stuff. Maybe bathroom stuff. I don't know. I really don't know. I also don't know how I want to do my bathroom. So we're gonna have to figure that out too. But it's so cute in here. I'm so excited. And I'm excited for the content in here. It's, yay, so great. Okay, we went to HomeGoods and Target. We're gonna do a little haul. Obviously like toilet paper and paper towels. And then we got a cute little, oh, this red is so cute. This red little kettle. Oh, checker. Has my heart. Oh, we were obsessed with this like print that HomeGoods had. Like it looks like coastal like grandma for butter. And then we got a cute little pumpkin also in that pattern. I think it's so cute.
Oh, it's so cute.
Got these little funky bowls.
The colored ones.
Dude, I like the colored ones. I don't really know what we're gonna use this for, but we got these fun little bowls that have a fun print. If you could see, is my autofocus on? Oh, that's why. Okay, these little bowls. We also got some silverware trays, and we saw this. It's like a Ziploc. Oh yeah, Ziploc thing for, or no.
It cuts the foil.
Yeah, it cuts foil and like parchment paper thing. A lemon squeezer. This dinnerware set, which was only 30 bucks for a set, which is so good. Should we wash them before we?
Probably, yeah. I'm gonna like open them right now.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait for you guys to see this apartment come along, and thank you for being with me through every step of the way. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss other moving vlogs. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any ideas for decor for me or how to like actually set up this place, because I honestly need the help because it's gonna be a little bit tricky in here. So, mwah, I love you guys. I'll see you guys in a few days.